So I'm looking at price action here on Bitcoin, and I just realized it's Friday, so I need to share this analysis with everyone here on YouTube as well. Remember, we've got a premium channel where every single day from Monday to Friday we talk about each one of those instruments here on my watch list. I give you our entry points, key levels, market direction, and everything you need to know in order to find successful trades. So this is exactly what we talked about earlier this morning in the premium channel. So we've got some trading opportunities here on the major instruments, as well as a few of the cross pairs also. We do have set up some gold, even silver is something that we looked at in the past few videos. But what do we have on Bitcoin? Well, even the CPI didn't really affect price in negative way here on this instrument, and overall I'm expecting that we're probably going to continue higher, and I'm looking for price to form a higher low where we can potentially find some entries. Right now, when it comes to targets, we're looking at previous structure right around 60,000, and then eventually we want to see a retest of the previous highs up here around the $64,000 mark. So looking at where price action is now, well, we do have some room to the upside, something that we can potentially take advantage of. But if we want to find a decent entry with a good risk to reward ratio setup and a confirmed entry as well, we want to see a pullback forming. Now if you look at this move right here, now we had the first impulse taking price above this previous structure. We then had a pullback, so right here was the first chance to enter a long trade. Right now we've got an extra confirmed setup because now we have a few higher lows. So if, let's say, we see a pullback forming right now, we want to see another higher low. Now even if we come for a retest of this previous low right here, and let's say we break below that, but we then leave a rejection wick, so we basically close up here above this low, but we've got a rejection wick, well, that would be an even better setup, because we're then going to be able to use a tighter stop loss. You can then go for a stop loss just below that reversal. Obviously, if you want to keep it safe, you can go below this low right here, and eventually below this 4-hour low that we can easily see on the 4-hour chart. But even if you use a aggressive stop loss, you may be able to find a very good risk to reward ratio setup here. Like I said, we're expecting targets much higher. So first we want to wait for that pullback to happen. If, let's say, this is the beginning of the pullback, and if you drag the Fibonacci 2 across the swing low up to this current high, you're going to see that the 38.2 and the 61.8 levels are right around this previous low. So this makes it a really good area, really a point of interest that we want to see the market visiting again. So once we get that, then we're going to be looking for that entry, and the entry could be anything, literally whatever works well with your strategy. This is what you can use for your confirmation as to when exactly to enter that trade. But I'm giving you the kind of the levels to look out for. So once we do that, we can then expect for price to continue higher. Like I said, targets from the higher levels, we do have some room to the upside. And for those of you who are not trading crypto, or if you're looking for more trading opportunities, I would definitely say watch out for price action here on pound dollar, on the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar as well, where we had pretty decent pullback exactly to where we thought that pullback will end, as you can see here, and then price kind of gave us that reaction that we were looking for. So we definitely have some trading opportunities here. You can find something to trade on the lower time frames as well. If you want to receive analysis like this every day, not just on Bitcoin but gold as well, the majors, the yen cross pairs, really whatever you're trading in Forex, we're going to cover that in a short 10-minute daily video that you will receive every day of the week. You can join our premium Telegram channel. Check out the links below this video, and if you're not sure about that, then join our completely free Telegram channel. Again, there is a link in the description below this video. That's all from me today, and I'll see you next week.